is Wing Lok. Can you see that? So we're going to be going and just kind of focusing this whole street down here. It's kind of nice and well lit up. Looks pretty nice. Give a little bit of context. There's these things that say Gingseng, Bird's Nest Street. So there's like Bottom Strand, which I just filmed. And then this one looks like it could be kind of part of it as well. But we're not going to walk down that way, but we are going to walk this way and try to follow as much as we can. Okay, we're in Hong Kong, 2022. Let's go check it out, subscribe, make some comments below, and enjoy.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha, chiquinha.
Wing Lok Street. So let's kind of check it all out. Actually, that's kind of interesting. I mean, there's like, I could see inside that building. It looked kind of cool. So I'm just going to capture that a little bit. It looks like they're like drinking wine, and it's like they're a bunch of people drinking wine. There's also be like sewing machines in there. Somebody's car alarm is going off. Kind of an eerie feeling. Jeez. We're all kind of... What the heck is that? Stuff down that way. So we're going to keep on walking down Wing Lok. So I don't know where Wing Lok ends at. Let's take a look. You are here. Wing Lok Tonic Food Street, it's called. Let's see, Morrison Street. Wing Lok Street right there. So we are still on Wing Lok. I think it's going to change over here. Let's just run across and just kind of see what it is. That's still Wing Lok. Okay, so that's still Wing Lok Street. It's good. So kind of capture, we got Pacific Coffee on the corner. That siren, that's where we're just at just now. We got Eastern Market over there, a giant building over there, and we're going to stroll down Wing Lok, continue going down. Okay, so now we got kind of a lit up street here. Construction. I do like the lighting though. Try to go on this one, this side. Park in there. This one you got a bunch of bamboo. So because they're kind of building this whole thing all the way up there. So I could keep on walking, but I think I'm gonna end this one in a moment. So a little taste of Wing Lok. The lighting is just right. I want to try to film as many different streets as possible because they all look kind of cool in their own way. 2022, filming and documenting Hong Kong. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and make some comments below. Ciao.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.